India's growth story has always been an inspiring one, be it about the freedom struggle, Bollywood, or its travel landscape. In 1947, India got its independence. 1950, the largest democracy, formed its constitution. 1975 was a landmark year as Sholay hit the theatres. There was more to the 70s than just a good movie and the emergency. In 1978, India witnessed the emergence of its first ever wholesale ticketing merchant, Akbar Travels of India Private Limited, a name that is today synonymous with trust. With a belief of making travel a hassle-free affair, Mr. K.V. Abdul Nazir started his journey of booking tickets to various destinations. With his vision, he turned Akbar Travels into the customer's first and most trusted choice when it comes to booking tickets to not just domestic but also international locations. Today, we are a one-stop shop for flights, all GDS and LCC carriers, hotels, 30,000 domestic and 5 lakh plus overseas, buses operating in more than 67,000 routes, rails, IRCTC authorized principal agent with 1,000 sub-agents, visas, authorized agent to issue visas for almost all destinations. Forex, we are RBI approved agent. Holidays, any destination around the globe. Travel insurance with all major companies. The journey so far has been great and we are positive about a glorious future. The flight you are about to take now will give you a sneak peek into the future. Hello there, do you recognize me? I am Birbal, your captain for today. I would advise you to fasten your seatbelt and get ready for the journey with Akbar B2B, Akbar B2C and B2E. We assure you this journey will be pleasant and joyful. And our first pit stop is at Akbar B2B, also known as Akbar Business to Business. Akbar Business to Business has more than 1, 2, 3, a whopping number of 23,000 agents. Through innovation, we shrank the office to a 15-inch computer screen and migrated the offline to an online mode. With high-quality services and our customer-first attitude, the sales conversions grew by leaps and bounds. And you know what? They continue to grow. Don't you? Our balance sheets are a proof of the trust that our customers have conferred in us. Agency sales have increased from 550 crores in 2012-13 to 737 crore in 2013-14 and from 737 crore to an incredible jump of 1,000 crore. What keeps us going? The confidence and faith that our customers have bestowed upon us. Today, we are listening to customers 24/7 with 9 regional support centers and offering real-time solutions to their queries. Be it booking, closing, holding, cancelling a ticket, we can do it all real-time. Now, let's proceed to take a nap. What's a journey without a nap, right? No, I don't mean we sleep. I mean non-air product, nap. And let me tell you a little secret. Nap is our USP. It includes buses, hotels, insurances, rail, holiday packages, more like a one-stop shop for all your traveling needs. Let me tell you the true story of my 2 friends, Santa and Banta. Santa and Banta started their own air ticket booking counter. Within the first year, they managed to sell around 100 crore tickets and attained a profit of 1 crore each. The next year, Santa got an idea.
Oi, Paji, don't sleep. Let's take a nap.
What?
Nap. Non-air product. It includes buses, hotels, insurances, rail booking, holidays and much more than mere air tickets.
Oh, teri itna sab kuch. I am happy with what I have as of now. Don't be greedy, buddy. You'll end up losing what you already have.
Nahi, Paji, it's not being greedy. It's going the extra mile. Nap is the future.
Oh, let me sleep. You do it. Don't angry me.
Banta ended up sticking to his age-old formula. But our innovative Santa began selling nap. The next year, Santa sold 100 crore flight tickets and 5 crore naps and increased his profit by 25%. Whereas Banta sold 105 crore flight tickets, but his profit increased by only 5%.
Oi, Paji, I made 25% more profit. The nap is cool.
Oh, tussi kaam karo. I sold 105 crore flight tickets and made 5% more profit. I am also growing.
After 2 years, both Santa and Banta increased their business by 50%. Santa increased 50% with NAV and Banta again with flights.
Oi Paji, I am a billionaire. I made 250% more profit than the first year.
Oye Sante, I made only 50% profit. How did you manage it? What is the secret?
I took a nap, Paji. Non-air product.
Moral of the story? Why to be Bevkoof Banta when you can be successful and rich like Smart Santa? Let me take you through some interesting facts and figures. Oh, not this figure, the real figure. We have partnered with major hotel giants like Agoda, Booking.com, GTA, DOTW, Expedia, Desia Travels and many more. This helped me to grow by 425%. That's not a number, but a huge percentage increase in hotels with 2,500 room nights per month. Moreover, the online insurance is given by the best in the industry, Tata AIG, ICICI Lombard and Religare. Do you know anyone better than them? Probably not. If this excites you, let me tell you that this is just the beginning. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Flying forward in the near future, we will be coming up with numerous innovative strategies, new plans and Chanakya Nitis. Oh, I see that you all are familiar with Chanakya Nitis. Remember what Mr. Radhakrishna Pillai told you yesterday? A wise man once said, one shoe size doesn't fit all. Then how would the same plan work for all customers? We will continue to work closely with our agents and motivate them to share strategies that will help the client and make complete business sense as well. This way, the agent is empowered and client is satisfied. A win-win situation, I must say. For my sales battalion, I'm giving them the power of technology. A real-time dashboard with all the real-time information for real-time decision-making and a better understanding of the current position in the market. No delay, on time is real-time. No Excel, now online DSR. Click to upload and click to download report. Quick, fast and teaz. Business to customer, also known as B2C, is our next destination. Customer is king, and it's a Herculean task to impress the king. It's only through the relentless effort that the organization has put in that we can boast about having a base of 500,000 unique customers every month. And 70% of the customers revisiting Akbar Travels is only a testimony to our services. What more? 46% of direct traffic. That's a dream number for my competitors. Not impressed yet? 48% of directed search from search engines. That's huge. Better than Sachin's ODI batting average. Also, we have bought a new place at Apple and Android. Around 50,000 have already visited our space and are having a gala time. You are welcome too. Adding on to the exciting journey, we now move on to our next destination, B2E, also known as Business to Employee. Business to Employee is a new futuristic concept, and the concept which will take the entire industry by surprise. In this concept, innovation and technology will play a huge role. My good friend Mr. Amit Gupta would like to take on your questions personally. In case you need to know more, call at 9619-481-286. In the last leg of our journey, let's take a pledge. I have been and will always be an Akbarite. I will strive to promote all the products from Academy to Forex and make this group number one. I am the brand ambassador for Akbar Group and I am proud to be an Akbarite. Hope your journey here was great. Here is your chance to make it awesome by visiting www.akbartravels.com.